The tent is in the form of a double slope upright wall. The frame is a plug-in structure. It has a ground bar, which can be used safely under its own weight and wind force. First, open the tent body and frame packaging bags. Take out the product packaging list. Count the number of components. Take 3 sets, 3 T-joints, 4 way joints, and 8 universal rods. Then start assembling the 3 sets of connected crossbeams and connect them. Take 4 universal rods and connect them to form the third part. Then fix the wire rope to the pole rack. Then place the canopy on the 3 sets of crossbeams and adjust the position. Lift the basin bottom. Take 6 vertical poles and insert them into the T and cross respectively. After a slight adjustment, gently pull up the upright pole and connect them with the already placed upright poles. Tie the straps of each part tightly. Zip up the nylon zipper and adjust the position of the tent to connect with the frame. Roll up the door curtain and curtain when needed. Tie the rope to each ring of the tent. Drive the triangular piles into the ground. Put the rubber and plastic pile head on the end face. Fix the pull rope and adjust the tightness.